I'm going to switch to regular mode where it's just cycling, and to 24/7 mode, which is what I want. It's very cool. So I press and hold 24/7. It's saying right now it's 2 p.m., which is not true, but I'll mess with that. So you can mess with the time. This is PM, AM, PM, right? If it's lit up, it's PM. So it's saying it's 2 p.m. Now it's 4 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Anyway, that's how you change the time. And then when you want that time, you say, oh, that's the time. You hit 24/7. This is the other mode, which is mode 1, 2, and 3. This is actually when things start happening. So look at this. This indicates things are going to start happening at 6 a.m. You can move this so things start happening at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., depending on where you are in the world. So I can cycle this. Now things start at 7 a.m. Now things start at 8 a.m. Now things start back at 6 a.m. Actually, that's what I want. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to set this by hitting that. Now I can set the time. So now let's go to what's happening in the tank at what time? 7 p.m. Looks like it's like a little dark. If I say now it's 8 p.m. Oh, my bad. Let me actually make it so I can set the time. You hold this. Now, everything's lit up. This one's blinking. Now I can shift what time it is. So let's say what happens at 8 p.m. It turns blue. 9 p.m. turns off. In mode 2, that's what I picked, or mode 1, I don't remember. I picked the 6 a.m. mode. So, it's off, it's still off, it's gonna be off for a while. 2 a.m., 4 a.m., I remember I picked the 6 a.m. mode. The light's not on right now, but now it's gonna be 6 a.m. Watch this. A little yellow light came on. Something's happening. The sun is just starting to come up at 7 a.m., 7 a.m., a little more. At 8 a.m., a little more. 9 a.m., a little more. 10 a.m., now it's really bright. 11 a.m., I think 10 and 11 are the same, but, oh, because they're not 11. It's, it went from 9 to 10 to 12. So, let's repeat that. I'm at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., it's actually getting dimmer, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. blue, 9 p.m. off. So I'm at 9 p.m., so 10 p.m., 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., remember? So I'm actually going to set my real time because I'm actually using this. So it's about noon where I am right now. So I'm just going to set that. So I want it to be set to noon. Noon. This is just showing me that the things start happening at 6 a.m. where I am, which is good. Remember, it barely comes on, but that's what I want. And I could adjust that by hitting this again to either start at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. But I want it 6 a.m. So I'm going to say, yeah. So now it says it's noon. It's 12 p.m. And I know that things start at 6 a.m. It's nice and bright because it's the middle of the day. And this will just blink like forever. So this is just telling you this is what time you are. And at 2 p.m. this afternoon, it'll jump over to here. And it'll jump as the day goes on. So that's how you set that. It's not that simple, but it's pretty cool once you figure it out. You need a PhD to figure this out. Luckily, I have one.
This is the larger of the sizes of the light, and I love it. Has the options to change the light colors, has a timer. Of course, you already know that by reading the description. The 24/7 is awesome. I just got it last night and tried it, and put it on the 24/7. And this morning, well, it went off last night, of course, for the nighttime, sleepy time, and then this morning it was on, so it is working great. Very happy with the purchase so far. This is only day one of using it, so very happy. Stay tuned. I will try to do an update in maybe about a week. Stay tuned.
Hi, I was just doing a review on this SEAOURA Aquarium magnetic cleaner with digital thermometer. It's really nice because it's touchscreen and it tells you the exact temperature of your water. And plus, you're able to clean your glass and, get the algae film off of it. It's smaller for larger tanks, but I mean, this tank is a 36 bow front, and I think it does a pretty good job for this one. Maybe for a larger tank, it'd be nice to have like a larger size to make the cleaning easier. Maybe even like a scraper, maybe a blade on there too, to even help get that algae film off a little bit better. Overall, I mean, I still give it five stars. I think it's a really cool feature and a nice addition to my aquarium. Thanks SEAOURA for giving me the opportunity to review it.